Okay, guys, this one might actually be short because it's one question and it's pretty straightforward. This one is going to be lesson one. Probably should make it better. Oh, lesson 1-9E, changing keys or key changes, like the song. Ch-ch-ch-changes. Okay, so I'm going to draw a quick staff here. Now, I'm going to do it in treble clef. I want to keep it really simple, okay? As one flat. Which flat? It's the first one. What's the first one? If you said B, you're right. Okay, then we're going to do time signature 4/4. We're going to have a whole note. We're going to have a whole note. And then we're going to have a double bar. Now, why do we use a double bar? Back in 1-1, I told you what the double bar was, and I told you it was used to indicate a section change or a shift in the music. A key change is one of those indicators. That's why we use the double bar. Okay, so we put a double bar. We do not have to put the clef again. Occasionally I will, most of the time I don't. Okay, I did it in the alto clef back in 1-9D as an example. All right, so now I want to go from one flat to one sharp. So I do this. Now, sometimes that's all that's necessary. Okay, that's it. You can stop there. Sometimes you will see this on the staff. Now let's look at what that means. That means here we have B flat as our key. That might be a little better flat. There we go. Now, what have we done here on the right? Here we have B flat with one flat. Actually, the key. I have to change something because it's making my music brain go nuts. Our key is F, but this is B flat. Okay. Don't worry about why this key is F. It's just something for me because it makes me go in my head. All right. Now, here we now have gone to the key of G, which you see when you look above all your staves that you made, or that I made for you, on 1-9, 1-9D. Okay. Now, what have we done? Here we have B natural, and now we have F sharp. The natural will not always happen, okay? Sometimes you will see it happen, but it's not always there. Now, this is Broom, and this is me being Broom and showing you something. If you want an example of a song with a lot of key changes, go to the portal scene from Avengers Endgame. That's 2 minutes of music, and I just reviewed the music. There are about 4 or 5 times the song changes key. Okay? You'll hear it shift. The biggest one you'll notice is if you watch the scene, hashtag spoilers, if you watch the scene with the music playing, when Ant-Man bursts out of the remains of the building as Giant Man and drops off Hulk and Rocket and Rhodey, that is a key change. That moment when he explodes out, that is a key change. That's an easy reference for you to find. Go to YouTube, look it up, and listen to the music. Stop watching the screen. Yes, it's that good of a scene, I know, but the scene is more important. The music is more important than what's happening in the scene. Okay? All right, so that is what happens. That is how a song changes key. You may not ever have more than one key in a song at a time. You can change keys 7 or 8 times, but you'll either have this one or you have this one, okay? You can have accidentals alter it. I have seen songs where there is no key and it's flooded with accidentals because the composer wanted to maintain something very specific that's a little above your pay grade. But the short version is you only ever have one active key signature at a time, okay? You can change as many times as you want. It's like only being able to wear one pair of pants at a time. You can wear 7 different pairs of pants in a day for whatever reason, but you only have on one pair at a time. Same thing with a music staff and a piece of music. You can only have one active key at a time. Okay? All right, guys. These are all your questions. There will be, if you have not read it already, tomorrow and Thursday in your class, there will be a very important picture that I need you to look at before you start watching these videos. Okay? The picture is about the videos. If you haven't gone and seen it yet, what are you doing? Okay? All right. Escoba signing off.